Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today I will tell you about mole concept. Now this is a topic most of the students find confusing. If you devote your next few minutes here, it will no longer confuse you, I promise. So let's start. All of you know that atoms and molecules are very small. 1 gram of any sample contain huge number of atoms or molecules. Like if you are taking 1 gram gold, it will contain huge number of gold. If you are taking 1 gram water, it will contain huge number of water molecules. And counting atoms and molecules is a difficult task. So to count them conveniently, a new unit, mole, was introduced. So remember it, mole was introduced to count the number of atoms and molecules in a substance. Now the first question that is coming in your mind is, what is mole? Mole is the link between mass and numbers. Mole is the link between mass and numbers. So mole mass को number के साथ link करते हैं. What does that mean? For a better understanding, I will give you a real life example. Suppose 1 kg banana equal to 8 bananas. Suppose 1 kg banana equal to 8 bananas. Then 5 kg bananas will be, what will be 5 kg banana? 5 kg banana will be 5 multiplied by 8. That means 40 bananas. So a fruit seller can sell banana without even weighing them. If you want to buy 5 kg banana, he will give you how much? 40 bananas. And if you are asking 80 bananas, he will weigh and give you 10 kg bananas. So shopkeeper, what he has done? He has linked mass with number. Okay. If you are asking bananas in number, he can weigh the banana, and if you are asking bananas in weight, he can count the banana to give you. Now you will say, ma'am, all bananas are not equal. I know, all bananas are not equal. Some are big, some are small, but let's assume they are equal, because we are not really going to sell banana in this way. Don't forget, we are trying to understand the term mole. So shopkeeper ने क्या किया? He links mass with number. Shopkeeper links mass with number. How? 1 kg equal to 8 bananas. So this is mass and this is number. In chemistry also, scientists link mass and number, and this is done through mole. तो साइंटिस्ट मास को नंबर के साथ एक टर्म से लिंक किया. दैट टर्म इज मोल. साइंटिस्ट काउंट एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स बाय वेइंग देम. ठीक है. 5 ग्राम वाटर, दैट मीन्स हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन बी काउंटेड बाय द टर्म मोल. एक्सपेरिमेंटली देखा गया है 1 मोल कोई भी सब्सटेंस में नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स हमेशा सेम होता है. 1 मोल कोई भी सब्सटेंस में हमेशा सेम नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल होता है, एंड दैट पार्टिकल equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now particles मतलब particles can be atom, particles can be molecules, even particle can be ions. That means if you are taking 1 mole atoms, 1 mole atoms will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And if you are talking about 1 mole molecules, then it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And even if you are talking about ions, 1 mole ions, that will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 ions. So number 1 mole is always a fixed number. The number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and this number is called Avogadro number. So the number So the number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 equal to Avogadro number. This number is called Avogadro number in honor of Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro, and it is denoted by Na or N naught. Capital N, A is in lower subscript, or N naught. Okay, and its value is always fixed, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is denoted by Avogadro number is denoted by Na or N naught. Now mass of 1 mole of a particular substance is always fixed. आपको हमने पहले ही कहा था mole is the link between mass and number. Now this is number and mass of this number for a particular substance is always fixed. So mass of 1 mole of a particular substance हमेशा फिक्स होता है. 1 mole हाइड्रोजन का मास फिक्स, 1 mole नाइट्रोजन एटम का फिक्स, 1 mole वाटर का मास भी फिक्स. Let's understand this with some specific examples. Let's take example of hydrogen atom and hydrogen molecule. Now we will see what is the difference between hydrogen atom and hydrogen molecule in terms of mole. Now atom की mass को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Atomic mass. Mass of one atom equal to atomic mass. So atomic mass of hydrogen atom equal to 1 U. What is U? U equal to unified mass. You know mass किससे मेजर किया जाता है? एटॉमिक मास यूनिट से, एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय U. सो एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इक्वल टू 1 U. सिमिलरली मॉलिक्यूल की मास को क्या बोला जाता है? मॉलिक्यूलर मास. मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इक्वल टू 2 हाइड्रोजन है तो 1 into 2, दैट मीन्स 2 U. ओके. Now 1 mole हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास हमेशा फिक्स. Now 1 mole हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास आपको कैसे मिलेगा? You replace this U with G, that means ग्राम. तो अगर नंबर को सेम रख के अगर U को हम ग्राम से रिप्लेस कर दे तो विल गेट mass of 1 mole of a particular substance. So mass of 1 hydrogen atom, atomic mass 1 U, that means mass of 1 hydrogen atom equal to 1 U, and mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen atom क्या हो जाएगा? 1 G. I'll repeat this again. एटॉमिक मास हाइड्रोजन की 1 U होता है. नाउ नंबर को सेम रख के अगर हम U को G से रिप्लेस कर दे, दैट मीन्स यूनिफाइड मास को अगर ग्राम से रिप्लेस कर दे, वी विल गेट द मास ऑफ 1 मोल सब्सटेंस. सो 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास 1 U, बट 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास 1 G. Only I replaced this U term with gram. G means gram. And this number is called Avogadro number, that means 1 mole. So we can say that mass of 1 mole hydrogen atom, mass of 1 mole hydrogen atom will be equal to 1 G, क्योंकि this number is called 1 mole. So 1 mole hydrogen atom का मास 1 G, and 1 mole की मास को क्या कहा जाता है? मोलर मास. What is molar mass? Mass of 1 mole of any substance is called molar mass. So what will be the molar mass of hydrogen atom? Molar mass of hydrogen atom equal to 1 G, that means 1 gram. Let's compare it with hydrogen molecule. Now molecular mass of hydrogen is 2 U, unified mass, क्योंकि एक मॉलिक्यूल में 2 हाइड्रोजन होते हैं. नाउ दैट मीन्स 1 मॉलिक्यूल का मास है 2 U. तो मास ऑफ 1 हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इक्वल टू 2u. वन मॉलिक्यूल का मास 2u. सो 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23 हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल का मास कितना होगा? मास ऑफ 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23 H2 मॉलिक्यूल का मास होगा. कैसे करेंगे हम? विल कीप द नंबर सेम and we'll replace this u with g gram. So 6.022 into 10⁻23 हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल का मास होगा 2 ग्राम and this number is called 1 mole. So we can say mass of 1 mole H2 molecule equal to 2 gram. So 1 mole हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास है 1 ग्राम एंड 1 मोल हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल का मास है 2 ग्राम. एंड 1 मोल कोई भी सब्सटेंस की मास को हम मोलर मास बोलते हैं. सो मोलर मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इक्वल टू 2 ग्राम. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस अगेन. 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम की मास को एटॉमिक मास कहते हैं. एटॉमिक मास को हम जी से डिनोट करते हैं. सो एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इक्वल टू 1u. दैट मीन्स 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास है 1u. तो 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23 दैट मीन्स 1 मोल हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास क्या होगा? 1g. नंबर सेम रखना है, u को g से रिप्लेस करना है एंड दैट मास इज कॉल्ड मोलर मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम. सिमिलरली 1 मॉलिक्यूल हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास है 2u. सो 1 मोल हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल का मास होगा 2g. दैट मीन्स मोलर मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इक्वल टू 2g. नाउ इफ इट इज नॉट स्टिल क्लियर आई विल गिव यू अनदर एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. विल डू द सेम थिंग फॉर ऑक्सीजन एंड इफ इट इज नॉट क्लियर स्टिल इट विल बी क्लियर डेफिनेटली. We'll do the same calculation for oxygen atom and oxygen molecule. Because this is a topic that confused the students in class 11th also. So it should be crystal clear in your mind from this class. Okay, oxygen atom. Oxygen atom, that means O. And we'll compare this with oxygen molecule. That is O2. Okay. Now atom की mass होता है atomic mass. So atomic mass of oxygen atom equal to 16u. You remember it, atomic mass is represented by u, molar mass is represented by g, number is same. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16u. That means mass of one oxygen atom equal to 16u. So mass of 6.022 into 10⁻23 ऑक्सीजन एटम कितना हो जाएगा? 16 तो सेम रखना है, u को g से कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स इसे 1 मोल कहते हैं. दैट मीन्स मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑक्सीजन एटम, रिमेंबर एटम क्या है? g. और यू कैन से मोलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम will be equal to 16g. Similarly, for oxygen molecule, we will calculate molecular mass. Molecular mass of O2 molecule equal to 2 into 16. ऑक्सीजन के एक मॉलिक्यूल में 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम है, so we will multiply 2 by 16. That means we will get 32u. Molecular mass of oxygen molecule equal to 32u. Now what will be the molecular mass of 6.022 into 10⁻23 oxygen molecule? क्या हो जाएगा? We will keep the number same and we'll replace U with G. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen molecule का mass होगा 32 gram. Now that is the mass of 1 mole. So mass of 1 mole oxygen molecule equal to 32 G. So now you understood that molar mass of oxygen molecule equal to 32 G. Now I have given you the example of atom and molecule, how you will calculate atomic mass, molecular mass as well as molar mass. That means mass of 1 mole atom and 1 mole molecule. What about compound? In case of compound, how you will find the molar mass? Let's take the easiest example, that is water. First, find its molecular mass. Molecular of mass of water, how you will calculate? I hope you know. Molecular mass of water equal to 2 hydrogen atom है and 1 hydrogen का mass है 1 unit. So 2 hydrogen का mass है 2 into 1 plus 1 oxygen atom. 1 oxygen की atomic mass 16. So we'll add 16 with this and we'll get 18. What will be the unit? U. So molecular mass of H2O equal to 18U. What does that mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? 1 molecule का mass है 18U. Okay. So mass of 1 molecule H2O equal to 18U. So आप जानते हैं 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule का mass कितना होगा? Mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule water equal to कितना होगा? 18 को सेम रख के replace the U with G. Replace the unit U with G. So mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule water will be equal to 18 G. Right? And this number is 1 mole. That means mass of 1 mole water equal to 18 G. Or you can say molar mass of water equal to 18 G. Okay. Now a homework, small homework for you. Find the molar mass of CO2. This is your homework. Find the molar mass of CO2 and HNO3, that means carbon dioxide and nitric acid. That's all. Thank you very much for listening to me with great patience. I hope you found this video useful. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.